Okay, guys, this is going to be a short little quick video in which we're going to hook up our action to our index component. So we are going to say import. We're going to need connect, and this comes from React Redux. And we're also going to need our action, which was called, if you remember, get articles right here, right? So import get articles from, let's see, we got to go up out of here into actions index. Okay, great. So if you know anything about Redux, you know there's a function called map state to dispatch, or map dispatch to props. I'm sorry, but we're not going to use that. Instead, we're going to use sort of like a shorthand sort of syntax in which we'll say that instead of using map dispatch to props, we can just say export default, and we'll use connect. And we don't have map state to props yet, so this is going to be null. And then in here, we're going to say get articles. Well, you know what? Well, you could do get articles. Let's just do that to keep it simple. But just FYI, with ES6, if the key and the value are the same, you can just say get articles. But just so it's clear for new people, we'll just keep it like that. And in here, we're going to have articles home. And remember, now that we're exporting this as default, we have to get rid of export default up here. Okay, this looks good. So now that we've imported our action creator, we can use it. So we want essentially everything to all of our articles to display as soon as this component renders, right? So we're going to use component will mount. And in here, we're going to say, since we wired it up down here, get articles, we can now use it as props. So we can say this dot props dot get articles. It's that simple. And I'm just going to wrap this up here. And in the next video, we're going to talk about creating new articles. And we'll set up the routes for that. And we're going to need a new action. So we'll do that in the next video, but you know what I want to do right now actually is wire up our reducers, which I know we didn't do. So here's our reducer, and we have posts, our post reducer. So instead of this, we're going to say, or not posts, import articles, I'm sorry, import, what was it called? I think we called it articles reducer. Actually, it doesn't matter. Articles reducer from, where is it? We're going to have to go into articles reducer. Okay, and then we can use that in here, and we can say articles reducer. Great. Okay, so let's cut it here, and we'll start working on new posts and a little bit with Redux form in the next video. We'll see you there.